That's right, another zucchini recipe. I love zucchini. Oh! First things first. Now this is a really great recipe, and there's a few different techniques that can be used when making this recipe, and I'm going to show you mine, but the one thing that will stay the same are the ingredients. And once this recipe is done, you can eat as is, with bread, traditionally paired with fish or meat, as an antipasto, or on a charcuterie board, or use as a secret weapon in a sandwich, which is my fave. I have 3 zucchinis that I'm slicing about 1/4 inch thick, and you can use a knife or even a mandolin. Traditionally, you would dry the zucchini out in the sun, but I'm just going to pre-salt the slices on both sides to help release the moisture and let sit for about an hour. In the meantime, we can make the marinade/dressing by adding 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, slice or finely chop up some garlic, 1 to 2 cloves should do, and then for something that makes this recipe unique, mint. Fresh mint as much as you like, and you can slice into a chiffonade by layering the leaves from largest to smallest and then rolling it up like a cigar and slicing, or you can just tear the fresh leaves up. Season with some salt, and optionally you can use freshly cracked pepper and chili flakes. Give a mix and set aside. Now back to the zucchini, pat dry, and as you can see, a lot of moisture has been released and will help when we fry. Fill a deep pan or pot with olive oil or any neutral oil, enough for frying, and once hot, add the zucchini and fry in batches. You don't want to overcrowd the pan or pot, and after a few minutes of flipping frequently and the zucchini slices are nicely browned, remove to a plate lined with paper towel. If you pre-salted, you might not need to season with salt, but taste and see, and if you didn't pre-salt, you can season with salt. As the zucchini is still hot or warm, add to a dish and cover with the marinade dressing. Traditionally, you would layer with all the ingredients almost like making a lasagna, but I'm just adding it all in and mixing to combine. Give a taste and adjust any seasonings, cover and let sit out for a couple hours or in the fridge overnight, which is best, and plate it up and serve cold or at room temperature. Maybe add some flaky salt and bring it to the table. I love zucchini and I love this dish, but what I really love about this is not the tangy, fresh garlic, the mint. What I really like about it is how you can use this across the board on almost anything. Fresh bread on its own, in a sandwich, prosciutto di Parma with fresh mozzarella, and this, thank me later, traditionally on fish, you can put on meat, antipasto, charcuterie board, maybe even in a pasta. I haven't tried that yet, but who knows. I love this. Hope you give this a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.